Did you know one sneeze can get your whole family a free dinner? So this dad is sitting quietly at a restaurant with his family when he feels a big sneeze coming. Achoo! His hairpiece goes flying right into another family's chocolate cake at the next table. Everyone just stares. But instead of being embarrassed, this guy puts on the most dramatic apology show ever. He's bowing, he's doing hand gestures, he's practically doing Shakespeare. The whole restaurant is cracking up. The manager thought it was so funny, he gave everyone in that section free meals.